Oh, so what? It is an empty motel then.
I got your information.
Sam.
And the owner of the apartment in Marble Street is a Dr. Adrian Baker. He's a struck optician. They used to sell drugs to junkies on the clock. He made some cash and bought up some cheap-ass apartments, including the one in Marble Street.
So this is the guy who sold the ruined apartment where I cut off the finger.
Thanks for the information, Sam. I owe you one.
Hey, Matt, be careful, okay?
I'm on it. Talk to you later.
I'm on not dying. Like this is, I think this is the, I heard that this is supposed to be the type of game where, like, if you die, that's it, you're dead. It's not like The Walking Dead where you just respawn. You're dead. The character is dead for the rest of the story. Hello? Oh, nice shirt.
Hi. I was told that you could get Bitropin without a prescription.
Sorry, you're misinformed.
No, it wasn't.
Hold on. I really need your help here. I can pay.
Well, why didn't you say so?
Okay, this guy definitely looks like either a rapist or a murderer. Or he's just some creepy doctor, I don't know. Well, ex-doctor, it seems. God, you have a wide open space in this house.
So, you're looking for Bitropin, my dear?
Yes.
Don't have trouble.
My dear.
How much do you need?
I don't know, about 3.
I don't even know what Bitropin is. I'm not very mad. Wait. Wait until it like shows behind Madison
Would
again.
you like a drink, Al?
Is there, are there curtains? Sure, I'll have a drink.
Sure, why not?
The curtains are like not against a window, and yet there's still like light seeping through them. Like I could see the wallpaper behind the curtain. I'm not sure if you could. Oh, and that's just the pattern on the curtains, because there seems to be one on that too. Never mind. It was funny when I thought about that though.
Who told you about that?
Oh, invent.
I met a guy at a party. He popped some Bitropin. Told me about it from you.
That's a good excuse. Medicine?
Can you get other types of medicine?
Everything has a price, my dear.
I hate how I keep saying my dear.
Do you have a friend?
And he looks extremely realistic compared to the others.
I'm not for sale.
I'm not a whore. Might as well take a drink.
I heard you had some apartments for rent. I'm looking.
Sorry, darling. Those are all booked up.
Ah.
Shame.
Sucks.
I was looking for something around Marble Street.
Why did I say that so specifically? I could just say, I'm looking for something around Marble Street, not something around Marble Street. Yeah, I cringed when he drank that.
I'm in some trouble. Didn't you know they have to warn you about accepting gifts from
But you just drank it. Wait a minute, you just... No! You just drank it. But if that means you would... Oh, God, doesn't matter. He's probably used to it. Where am I? Oh, God, there's an absolutely gored man over there. Well, it's good to know I'm still alive.
Say hello to Matthew.
Eh, this isn't good. Is this guy like a crazy optimist? What's an autopsy person?
So, you are interested in my
Shake.
apartment. I read it
Ah.
in Paco, you must know. I have no idea what he does there. Maybe that's a reporting case with your cancer from the
Keep.
To be honest, I don't give a damn, because as long as he pays his rent, he can do whatever he likes. Speed off with the chit-chat.
No.
I miss you.
No.
So I take every opportunity to practice.
Oh.
don't have any instruments here, so I use whatever comes to hand. I hope you won't hold that against me. Hold on.
Whoa! Oh no! No! Shake my head! Shake my hand! No! No! Not my leg! Not my leg! Oh, my leg! No! Get away! Get away! Oh!
As soon as you start to do
Oh.
housework,
Oh! Thank you, doorbell.
I'll give you the hammer and give you right back. Don't move. I won't be long.
Yeah, I need to find a way out of here. I need to shank one of these loose. Oh yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Hello, sir. I come bring the word of the Lord in the form of the Bible. I was glad that you did it. And what you also got to put on the fire.
Oh, I just turned it on. What the hell?
No thanks, I'm not.
Oh, now.
Thank you, Bible man.
The word of the Lord is no interest. See, it's humble flock and walk in his steps.
Okay,
St. John, God's steps.
Whoa, I'm a bit of a daredevil here. Yeah. No, 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 no. No. Haha, you missed. Whoa. What? Oh, jeez, you have a freaking power saw now. Well, I have a hammer. Take that. You knocked me over. Whoa. Aha. Okay. Let's test my reactions. Ow. Haha. Oh, I pressed your head in. Take that. Huh. Wow, I'm really good at this. Oh, kick your balls. Take that. Huh. Oh. That's what I get. I hit you with a shovel. Oh. R1, 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 R1. Nope, you're not getting that. Aha. What did I just do? Oh, I'm sawing you to bits. Wow, I'm really good at using this weapon. Yep, no. Oh, how did I manage to punch you that hard? Here, how do you like being sawed? Oh, look, don't even have that many. Ow. Oh. Oh, okay. I got knocked out anyway. Great. Well, you still have a bunch of serious injuries, so I recommend you get those treated first. Yeah. How'd you manage to get knocked out by that? I know it would hurt like hell and you'd be dizzy, but... Oh! I get it. I was pretending to be knocked out. Wow. Oh. Oh, get off me. Well, yeah, kick his leg. That'll show him. Well, he's dead. Take me. Well, that was quite exciting. Well, I'm never going here again. Search the place. I'd say if I didn't drink, I would be able to do it before. And then end up just leaving here afterwards. He would probably, like, knock me out otherwise. Like, in some other way.